Plyler v. Doe and what it means for English language learners. Have you ever thought about how children of undocumented aliens might have access to free public school in the United States? What guarantees their right to an education? Well, let me tell you a story about how that went. Once upon a time, 1981 to be exact, in Tyler, Texas, a class action lawsuit was filed on behalf of certain anonymous children of Mexican descent who were unable to prove that they had been legally admitted into the United States. Why would their immigration status be important, you may ask? Well, a law revision that happened in 1975 allowed Texans to deny enrollment to public schools and withhold state funds for education to children who were not legally admitted into the country. The lawsuit was filed against Superintendent James Plyler, who, under his direction, schools in Tyler were charging $1,000 annual tuition for each unauthorized immigrant. A fellow community member had heard that children were being told that they could not go to school and told a local lawyer, who began working with the Mexican American Legal Defense and Education Fund. They filed a case on behalf of 4 families whose names remained anonymous to the court, hence Plyler v. Doe. The question was, did the law violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, which states that no state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. The Supreme Court agreed to hear the case, and the ruling was yes. By a 5-4 vote, the court found that Texas legislature had indeed violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, their reasons being, education has a fundamental role in maintaining the fabric of society, and by denying these children a basic education, the court said, we deny them the ability to live within our structure of our civic institutions and foreclose any realistic possibility that they will contribute in even the smallest way to the progress of our nation. While the states have the right to protect themselves from an influx of illegal immigrants, there was no evidence that showed immigrants came to this country solely for a free education. So what does this mean for English language learners? Well, it allows all students, regardless of immigration status, the right to a free public education, giving an opportunity for every child to be able to learn English. And while this ruling has been challenged directly more than once, it has proven to be resilient and continues to protect children from all walks of life.